Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with Blink for your payments and need to switch things up in 2025, you're in the right spot. Changing your payment method is a quick process that keeps your transactions smooth and secure. Whether you're updating a credit card, switching to a new bank account, or just refreshing your details, I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have the Blink app installed on your phone or access it via the website. Open it up and log in with your account credentials. If you haven't logged in before, you'll need to enter your email and password. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Once you're logged in, head to the main dashboard. Look for the settings icon, usually a gear or 3 dots in the top corner. Tap on that to open the settings menu. Now, scroll down until you find the Payment and Billing section. This is where the magic happens. In the Payment and Billing area, you'll see your current payment methods listed. Tap on the one you want to change or select an option to add a new one. If you're editing, choose Edit or Update, and if you're adding, hit Add Payment Method. Enter your new details carefully, things like the card number, expiration date, CVV, or bank info. Blink might prompt you to verify your identity for security, so keep an eye out for that. After you've entered everything, double-check for accuracy to avoid any errors. Then, hit Save or Confirm. You may receive a verification code via email or text. Enter that to finalize the change. And just like that, your payment method is updated. A quick tip: always use a secure network when making changes, and regularly review your payment settings for safety. If you run into any issues, Blink's Help Center is a great resource. There you have it, folks. That's how to change your Blink payment method in 2025. It only takes a couple of minutes and keeps your finances in check. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.